Introducing CarPower, the ultimate jump starter and recharger. It's your very own portable power source that's safe, small and simple.
CarPower is powerful enough to jumpstart large petrol and diesel engines, 4x4s, bikes, boats, jet skis, plus it's a multi-function power bank, perfect for recharging your laptop, tablet, phone or camera.
CarPower retains its charge for up to 6 months and can be recharged in as little as 2 to 3 hours. It's small, lightweight and best of all, easy to use.
Simply attach CarPower to your flat battery, power it up and start your engine.
It's even a portable torch and safety light.
CarPower is available in 2 sizes, the lightweight and funky K30 and the powerful D50. Perfect for campers and caravans and they're priced from just $139. CarPower is an Australian company and our products are all backed by an Australian warranty and personal service. So shop online with confidence at www.carpower.com.au.
Plus for a limited time, CarPower is offering free shipping Australia-wide. CarPower, your portable power source. Small, safe and simple.